Hello guys, this is Vikram and today I am here to show you this beautiful sky glow effect tutorial using the Alight Motion, and you can use this effect in your PUBG editing montages, which makes it so amazing. So without any ado, let's get started. Starting off, you should import your clip in which you want to add the sky glow effect. So I have added it, as you can see. And the first thing you want to do is click on this clip and then duplicate into another layer. So now you have two layers, one on top and one on the bottom. The changes that we're gonna make in this video is fully on the top layer, so you should not change the effects in the bottom layer. So we should concentrate on the top layer. Now select the top layer and go to effects and then click on the add effects, and in this you will see color and lights tab. Click on it and choose exposure and gamma. In this exposure and gamma, you should increase the exposure to its maximum and reduce the gamma to its minimum. Now increase the offset until the sky glows. Okay, let me move the timeline. Then let's come back, choose the add effects again and go to color and lights tab. Under this you should choose another effect, which is saturation and vibrance. Under this, decrease the saturation to its minimum and then come back. Now go to add effects again and then color and light. Now choose the color temperature. Under the color temperature, you should decrease it to until you see a orange tone, so like this. After this, come back again, click on add effects, then go to blur and then choose inner blur. Under the inner blur, increase the strength to 400 or 350 to 400 based upon your clip. So I will make it 300, and then the sky glow is pretty much ready. Now click on this top layer and then choose blending and opacity, and under this light and option, choose linear dodge. Now you can see the sky glow effect, which is very lit, and it's too much, I think so. Based upon your wish, you can reduce the sky glow. In my case, it's too bright, so let me decrease it a little bit. Now decrease the offset. As you can see, if you increase the offset, you will get more sky glow. If you decrease it, you will get a good decent sky glow effect. Okay, I think this is pretty much decent, and I will leave it this way. Now in case if you want to change the color of the sky glow, you can do it by clicking on the add effects and then choose the U shift option. Under the U shift option, you just scroll this scroller back and forth until you see your desired color. So you can just keep on scrolling until the color gets saturated. So I will leave it this way. This looks pretty good. Then let's play back. Yeah, the sky glow is pretty good. If you find this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next one.